Hi, I'm Iris from Iris Impressions Art, and in today's video I am showing you my collaboration with NoIssue to make some awesome tote bags. I've known about NoIssue for a while now and I've really wanted to order some stuff from them. They seem to be the main brand out there who are known for doing eco-friendly packaging. I don't know about you, but that is definitely something quite high on my list of priorities. I'm a bit nervous. I have never ordered from them before. I have never designed tote bags before. I mean, you've probably seen me paint on tote bags, but that's a bit different from doing a design and having it printed. It's a little bit nerve-wracking, but I think the interface on their website is quite clear. So I'm gonna take you along whilst I go through the process because I thought that might be interesting, and also because I have literally never done it before. You're gonna get a super authentic look into what the process is like. Failures and successes and all. Now, the way I understand it is that you upload your design and then you select one Pantone color for the printing. Because my art is quite detailed and stuff, I don't think that just doing a straight upload of a picture is really gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is take some of my own artwork, bring it into Procreate, and trace some of the lines so that they are nice and thick and clear for printing. This might change as I'm working, but I'm kind of envisaging a design where I do a grid of 3x3 of my kind of signature faces in a slightly sketchy style. We'll see. So let's do a little bit of Procreate digital art stuff. Me and my lovely assistant, the very hungry caterpillar, are just going to talk you through what I've been doing. What I did was I brought basically a picture into Procreate, and then I went and tested some of the different pens and line work options to see which is the one that I want to use for converting my designs. I think I'm gonna go for the studio pen because I think it looks the most interesting with the varying line widths. Okay, this is by no means a Procreate tutorial, but let me just very quickly show you a couple of things that I think are really handy. So I use the insert photo to put a photo here. This canvas is 20 by 20 centimeters. The bag itself is going to be 40 by 40. So if I have 6 faces and I design them at 20 by 20 centimeters, they're a bit bigger than what they'll be on the bag, but I'll have plenty of pixels to play with. And then I put the original artwork on this layer. I've set the grid up so that I can make sure that each of these is the same. So I'm going to use lots of different layers and make separate layers of the different artwork, and then I am going to go to share and then share layers and go PNG files. So I won't have to save them all individually. I can just create all the layers separately and then export them all as separate files and bring them onto my computer, which is really cool. I'm gonna make sure that they are all the same size within this grid so that when I use my studio pen, I know that all the line work for all the individual files is going to be the same. I'm not going to end up with one file that has like really thin lines and another file that has really thick lines. So just thought I would mention that in case that is useful. There we go. I've got this on a canvas in Photoshop, 40 by 40 centimeters spaced out. Made sure I've got some edges around it for a safe area. So let's see how we can go and upload this. Okay, let's upload our design. Select the quantity and... Okay, so you got 2 options. You can upload a logo, in which you can like upload a PNG or a JPEG, or you can upload a PDF and they will send you a proof. I'm gonna go with the PDF option because I just want to make sure that it's the highest quality possible. So there's a front and a back. I'm going to use the same design on both sides, but obviously you can have something different on the back, which would be quite exciting. Okay, I also just wanted to say that I noticed that it's a bit buggy in Firefox. It doesn't always work, so I'm using Chrome and it seems to be working okay in that. So that would be my hot tip, use Chrome. Okay, so I have added my artwork. Now I'm going to put in the color, which is going to be, that's my brand color, FF0066. Include a NoIssue eco badge. I don't know, to be honest, no thanks. And I'm gonna add that to cart. Okie dokie. I am also adding some cards. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna add some A6 cards. Start designing. Upload a finished design. Skip tutorial. So here I have already designed a card and exported it as a PDF. I'm going to select A6 and then I'm going to upload the artwork. So what happens after you have uploaded your designs is they will get back to you and send you proofs so that you can say, yeah, that's all good, let's go ahead, or you can change things if they don't look quite right. So exciting, and let's check out. Oh look, you can see the little preview already there, that's cool. Woohoo, let's do it! Look what came in the mail! Let's unwrap this. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh god. It got here really quickly. They say 3 weeks, but it was more like 2.5. I was just on holiday, so I wasn't actually physically here. But yeah, that was pretty good. Let's see if I can do this without injuring myself. It's well packaged, which is kind of what you'd expect, right, from a company that does packaging. Oh, I like this. Little touches. I'm always looking for, you know, inspiration. Oh my god. Okay. This is looking awesome. And it's, I knew it was double-sided, but okay, let me show you. They have turned out really well. I'm so excited about these. Oh, I'm so excited to send these into the world, but I am also really excited to do a little photo shoot with them. So that's going to happen soon. Not right now, because it is August in London, it's raining. These are the postcards that I also ordered. Let's have a look. Nice. This is all just so exciting. It's kind of like Christmas a little bit, isn't it? Nice. So these go with this. So I'm going to be offering these bags in my shop at some point. Let me get organized. But yeah, and the cards will go with them. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so exciting to have my art on things that I can actually use or wear or take out into the world with me. I don't know, yeah, that's what I'm really excited about. So I'm sure that I have overused the word excited by this point. Sorry about the kids screaming.